Turning the engine 2A113, engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the power steering pump here, very nice. Turbo didn't see any damages from outside, very nice, very good. And the turbo fin inside, the turbo fin is spin very good, no problem. And there's no up and down, very nice, very good. On top of this engine everything is good, didn't see any damages, very nice. And from this side, alternator look good, no problem. Same as well the starter here, very nice, very good. Down here the oil sump, gearbox, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.